Hi, this is Everton Blender, and you're listening to the Young Police Channel. Lift up your head and hold it up, high. We know that we'll win the prize. Everton Blender says so.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so this is part 4 of the 4-part series. The Clansman gang killed 8 Jamaicans and injured 9 in Cherry Lane, Clarendon. And we have seen the PMP giving zero sympathy from the PMP criminal organization. As usual, all the PMP care about is the killers. They don't care about the victims. No, because remember, that's their bread and butter. It's all about numbers. Reducing the numbers, improve their votes. So they are not friends of the Jamaican people. I have seen them as enemies. I was born and raised in a PMP community, and I can tell you that at no time, at any time, I can never hear that, they say, Rima man coming. No, I can't say that on them thing. We are the ones that always attacking the people down in Rima and want them out. I can tell you that. So that's the mantra. But you see, look here. If you do not see yourself in another person, whether them black, white, yellow, or green, you're not a normal human being. You're not a human being. You're an empty vessel. You're supposed to treat each other with love and respect. If you love yourself, then you're going to love another person. So, hope you enjoyed the series so far. I will say to you before, you have a majority, over 3,000 people. Yeah, man, close to 3,000 people. Them. They just love this socialist thing, you understand what I'm saying? So if you want, the full video, you have to go. You have to go to the Patreon squad and subscribe. You understand? So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Continue the journey with part 4. Eat we. You understand?
One last thing, Mr. Porter.
Yes, sir.
Why you think Beanie Man no deserve the award? Because him allegedly involved in a bogus killing.
Yeah, of course.
Let me finish why me ask it. Because him contribute musically, him contribute a lot of ears and bring a lot of attraction to the island.
Yeah.
So in the sense of that, well, my man that say so that Jew say him fi kill man and get it, but I don't know if him kill the man. So there you go. Nobody, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying there, you kind of go harsh on him. I don't know if I treat him owe you your money, but you kind of go harsh on him. Yeah, and me not say him not guilty of certain things, but me not sure. I'm saying I don't sure.
Yes.
When you look on the last video, when him in a dance and my boy a trophy fall and sit and him there look pleased. And minutes after the dance him dead. So pick fingers with a point to him, but we have to look and know that Jamaicans are very smart, and man we use the fact say beef with another man to come kill you to make it look like that the man there. And to how me understand, Bogo didn't develop a lot of enemies from long time back in when him just a launch out from them time there. Him they always have developed enemies, him and Willie them. So you never can tell if it's a long time enemy strike or we just say it's only alleged. from the streets. And the streets I thought say a Beanie Man put out it and something. But on the hour thing, them not say Bunty a bad man too, man.
Bad
Bunty get it, so.
Bad man, Bunty. Alright, look here now. Alright. So we come. May I tell you now? Not because between me and them thing, not because me know about men, and me know about men, and me I talk from my personal experience as a detective. Beanie Man, not only Beanie Man involved in a killing a bogle. I mean, you understand? Beanie Man import killers to Waterhouse to kill people same place on a Binge Road. That's how him borrow me $400 for you boy and him comic when come at unspace, you understand? And after me lending me money and all them things, them telling me know all of them things about him. Beanie Man, you see him Beanie Man, I mean I tell you this now. And I don't know if Capitan know, you know, Beanie Man, you know. One boy named Dave Ninja, you know. Beanie Man getting Dave Ninja. I remember other two boys name, you know. If you go kill Capitan, you know, upper Devon House, you know. We Capitan in a stay in our hotel one, you know. And some police when they run him, you know, save him that the day, you know. Capitan supposed to be dead from in the 1990s, you know, because of Beanie Man, you know. You understand? Beanie Man, I mean, I tell you this again now on them thing there. Beanie Man, you see DJ where they are prison named Zebra. They see him involved in a killing with the roads. Beanie Man can Zebra, we got Binge Road. Forget man, if you kill bounty killer over one girl, where bounty killer attack to a Waterhouse. Same Beanie Man. I mean, I tell you this, I'm not even close to bounty killer. You understand? Call me the other day and say to me, say, boy, them believe say, I tell you this, them believe say Beanie Man, Obia, bounty killer. Because them say, boy, they never say nothing like this. The amount of thing where Beanie Man, the bounty killer. You know, so you have people and bounty killer where they grew up and them and a friend. Them not talk to him because of Beanie Man. They not talk to bounty killer because him close. Because them say, this man I must be, say bounty killer biggest fool they ever say on them thing. I tell you, I tell you about people who know me and know bounty killer. And them say, boy, Mr. Porter, look on the things the man do bounty killer and him still hug up the man I'll try. You understand? One night I mean if a bodyguard bounty killer, you know. From the same boy them when you have a long club name Extreme, you know. Extreme Club a Portmore, you know. When I come yeah, and I saw the boy them when the boy them come on and them thing there. Cause them know me and Bobby, you know, when I play, you know, ragga them on them thing, you know, Beanie Man boy them, you know. So in my problem, you know. And that's why, you know, some people know bounty killer and them thing, you know, they must say, no man, I must obey him bounty killer. And that people are saying, you know, cause they must say, boy, the things them him do, bounty killer. And bounty killer never even try to harm him. Me must say when I tell the man team up with Buju Banton against bounty killer. Him team up with Vibes Cartel against bounty killer. And plus not only that, him married to the man, woman, everything. So, that's why I say my saint. You understand? He must saint and them thing. So, I tell you, you know, sometimes, so just like how you said, you as a man know on them thing. Can you fathom how a man have his character and them thing? How him stays on arms up a man like that with him all of them things,
Well, they think about it still. Me ain't look so them a bridging pal, you know.
No man.
But me just feel like saying just make bygones be bygones and show them in the media, in the public space.
No man, bygones.
Never like no so them bridging up like that.
Alright, look.
Well, me wouldn't expect them for bridging up because all the things them where
him do
been through over the years with him.
Alright, look, can you point to anything where you can point to publicly where bounty killer have done to him?
No, I think me that think back, but I never him a bad man. I was him brother. I'm
bounty killer brother Barley and them thing there. Barley was at them. That may I tell you now, you know. Sometimes some people force people to become to take up the gun. Barley no busy with no man. Barley live a face when you know say Barley didn't have all a big mother was shot him in the mouth. Yeah man, Barley have a big mother Waterhouse shot him in the mouth. Bounty killer brother shot him. If you look on him face, the right side of him face, him have a scar. I want a female mother shot him with a gun, you know.
Oh.
Yeah man, Barley baby.
So you say him brother they ain't a bad man.
No, but
yeah,
a shot man shot him. I see him man them shot him. I see you. Natty Morgan boy them shot him. Cause is a man a stop? Is a man a stubborn, you know? Him very stubborn, you know. Cause man then tell him say enough, and him say, cause them kill him friend, you know, when him get shot, you know. And him tell him man them say, him and the man in a war and them thing there. All him a go look for him woman, and him a tell him say, me I come over here so before, cause I know a little boy and them thing. Now when I tell me say me can't come, him say me never know so no one over here so and I phone the place. And I saw him get shot, and I saw make him go kill them and them thing there. But everything happened on at the time when him get wanted, at them time the bounty killer boss and bounty killer spend how much money, and I saw him beat all a murder case them.
Me hear your points of why you mention certain topics at times. That is what made it interesting now. And the fact for point out say, boy, I not see this is going to change. Because it's hopeless. Especially with the bag of killing we are going in the island here.
Well, you know, well, you can't, hey, in a life you can't live on hope on them thing there. You have to have hope. But who is going to lead you on them thing there? If you are look here, everything that the government is doing, the PMP is against it. So you have to understand who's the one that put in the wrench against progress. PMP why the government no hanging, why we don't hang people? Hanging is still on the book, hanging is still on the book, you know. Prime Minister don't want to do it, I'm afraid to do it. Any of the Prime Minister communicate to the people them, even the same PMP people them, and tell them say him want to resume hanging. Is he them no want to do it? I'm afraid to do it. Cause we have hanging on the book. PMP change everything. Make a man get parole for murder. Our man for kill two people. A man kill two people in a robbery, and him get 10 years for a double murder when he come to Westmoreland. 10 years, and then he might get parole. All you expect now, them 8 people that were dead down a cherry tree lane. For them, when witness that them murder, for them go get statement, for go court, for go get man get 10 years and come out to come for go and kill them. You know, better you shut them out and you try to say if you can get justice. I just saw it go. So them design the system why the murder, why we have murder, why the murder rate increase. Most of the murder them are retaliation, you know, revenge killing, you know. Cause man don't believe in a system, so the system fail. The system crumble. Not until people can have faith in our system. And look what now. You see the release when they release Vibes Cartel and the other rear admiral them and them thing there. That even make it worse. People have to say, boy, oh, for you have money and you have music and them thing there. You can't go you gonna beat the case and them thing there. You might find somewhere to let you go.
Vibes Cartel is one of the biggest disappointments we ever seen in Jamaica.
Well, they have to
come out of prison and he still has one done. Badness.
Yeah, but
badness.
well, you have to understand still, you know. Who alright? You know, the Vibes Cartel release and prison is for the PMP to win election. You see them win next election. And that's why I tell you, say PMP is all about the destruction of the Jamaican people. The brother when him I Thompson, Bright Light. You see that the business is a Bright Light, a Zeeks business, you know, a Zeeks own Bright Light, you know, half of the books, you know. So you see sometimes you see some done dead and them thing there. A Zeeks business that imagine a man who had done, a man who had killed him own a funeral home.
Yeah, and that information come to the surface the other day about Bright Light involving in some illegal matters, and it just sweep away and everybody back to normal already. Yeah, so I wonder what is going on. Why them not hold them people accountable then?
Well, in case you don't know them thing that I Thompson have connection politically. The money are PMP more than Michael Manley, you know. Look here, if you notice, this government, you know, that's why I'm telling you, say, is he there want to do it and I can't do it. The Prime Minister and the people them are in charge of the country, they are the one with them tacit response and their response when they come on to criminality. That's why the gunmen them feel say having illegal guns is a normal thing because the government give them credence. Look what in my community of jungle, not down Angola, when the man them get the whole of M16 them from Rick Dickin and New Jersey. You understand? And the man them fire it up. Up to now, the security force are going on a jungle for try to recover it gun them. They're not a curfew down there. You notice it? Alright, because guess what now? Guess what now? Yeah, because guess what now? The labor them free now, the PMP got ball out now, say political victimization. In case them for tell the people them say a crime we are fight, we want to get rid of the gun them and the criminality them in Jamaica. Them not go down there and raid it. Alright? Fast forward. See, you see the boy when he melon now, him having boy them up at Marvel a fire up M16 and all kind of gun. You see up to now, the government send the security force go raid up there and try to find another gun them. No. So all of them things now when they do all of them something, you think say you them now see? Let me say I tell them say boy, nothing wrong for you have illegal gun to kill people.
Me believe to say Jamaica, while me I reason with you, and me have insight, this is what me get. The two parties are two set of criminals, thugs and gangsters, and them both know. So them not two cross each other part too much. Cause them we send one man come kill each other and them know. So what me I try to point out is that if a policy need to be fixed, why is it that the presiding people can't just outright say, look, these changes are gonna make, or we have to make these things happen because it's for the better of the country and don't care about what they pay. Because that's the only way things have to change. But it seems like them both fear them one another because them
No,
pinchmans.
No, my brother, you get it wrong. Them both fear each other. May I tell you on them thing there. You see, may I tell you see Labour right now, this Prime Minister, him is all about optics. So him no want to look like say him political. And a politics, when they fight crime and a politics, a crime, the PMP, look here, the PMP, you know, when they in a power, you know, anytime before them call election, I tell you the same with my police, you know. All them do, you know, them just send one each other and go down like Tivoli Garden, you know. And them just start shoot dog, woman, pitting, mad people and all them things, you know. And say I shoot and say I attack them, the police, you know. In which the police then just go down and start shoot people. And when everything, how much mad people, them kill old people and all of them things there. I want then 3 weeks after the government just announced election, because the people them have it in their mind say I liberate them, my problem. You understand? And then because at them see money I commit the crime, you know, and at them now use that as psychological warfare. And them use them afraid. So you see the difference, and I two of them are just one of them are going with said I show say them decent. You can't decent when you fight criminality, you have to fight criminality no matter who the guy. You understand? So that may I tell you, if them should
was saying in the case of criminals getting freed after a few years when them commit certain murders, why is it that the government of Jamaica can't straighten up on them legislation there? Why them legislation they are to work on?
Alright, in our first thing, let me tell you now. You see right up to when Edward Seago was the opposition leader, murder was murder. Nobody not get nobody murder. You know when everything changed, I want a brother named Bruce Golden become prime Bruce Golden. You have a brother named Delroy Chuck and Orius Chang, the Minister of National Security. Them have sympathetic to criminals, you know. Orius Chang in a certain way because him believe in a people with a second chance, give people clean, expunge people criminal record. Me not believe in that. You commit crime, you live with it. People commit
the Democratic movement.
Yeah, man.
Bruce Golden, NDM.
Yeah. And them take over a party, and them take over a Labour Party. Most of the people in a Labour Party and a Labour right. Maybe the only brother in a party a Labour right, a brother named Nigel Clark. Nigel Clark, I brains, you know. The Prime Minister not quarter smart like Nigel Clark, you know. I'm a between me, I do believe that Nigel Clark could be a better Prime Minister. The reason why I say that, Nigel Clark, apart from my brother named Warmington, he might fire somebody when I see Labour, the PMP them afraid of. I'm not afraid of them. I'm not afraid of them. Because you notice Mark Bolin afraid of him, you know. That'll be able to Trump, you know. If you're black, I'm afraid of him, you know. Because him, you know, Nigel Clark, not lazy, you know. And guess what now? You know, say the brother when named Julian Robinson and them thing there. Me get to understand say Nigel Clark. Tell him, you know, in a parliament, you know. Say, hey boy, you can't chat to me, you know, because you kill all police, you know. Tell him that, you know. Say you kill all police because you issue gun. You ever hear me issue gun and them thing there? No, who you talk to, you know. Nigel Clark tell Julian Robinson that, you know. But I say Julian Robinson, you know, make film police and kill one detective sergeant named Courtney Simpson. Because Courtney Simpson saw that he was issuing guns in East Kingston. You understand? And he go back, the policeman go and report it back to our soup when he Rocky Simpson. Rocky Simpson dunce like bat. He a more PMP than Michael Manley. You understand? He was a brigadista. And him, after the police go and report it to him, he go back and tell Julian Robinson and said them have to kill the police, and I saw them kill him. One detective sergeant named Courtney Simpson. Police drop him off of him yard. That as them drop him off, then shoot him in the back. And them claims that them not hearing a shot and them thing there.
Yeah. I know, bro. I don't know. Well, it's nice to reason with you, my supporter, honestly.
Yeah,
I say, been listening to you for a while now. And me did just want to say something to you to find out what is really happening. And we get an answer like that yet still, you know, because I'm still confused.
You're still confused?
What make me confused about is that the changes where the people in my ball for my supporter and myself.
What changes?
You know, corruption, you know, people just want a better Jamaica.
Yes, we want of course all of we want a better Jamaica, but who we are get it from?
Right.
Who we going to
as me said, and everybody in my time I believe we see a better Jamaica.
Well, hey, look here, it's still look here.
Yeah.
You see, if both you have to understand, you know. Remember say even, you know, when time the Prime Minister, you know, said boy, he want 45 to 50 years imprisonment for murderer with no parole. Remember say who came out in defense of the killers them. Remember say PMP, you know, Mark Baby Trump Golden and the PMP Donna Scott Matley and our woman where senator like Duppy. And she come out and I say she dumb like a stone, you know. But you know say in a PMP, you know, the only time you get reward for the criminality where you come out, you know. You see woman here counsel right now at Jonestown when named Pummels, you know, that a fear son the man them for matches lane kill, you know, when they shoot up Danville Palmer, you know. Pummels, the counsellor. Fear son, they shoot off all the police. And she claims that she a witness, you know. When she that Portmore, you know, she claims that she a witness, she was there in a Jonestown when police killed Fear gunman's son. And that's how she get the seat in a Jonestown as the counsellor. Right now she a counsellor in a Jonestown, Pummels, and guess what she a do? She a sell farm work ticket, $100,000. The people, them, you know, poor people in a Jonestown who want farm work ticket for go foreign for work on farm. They have to pay $100,000. And she say, she's there, I tell the people them in a Jonestown, you know, say the $100,000 what she get, she say $25,000 out of it. I forgot to one brother when named Sammy, that is Mark Golden second. And right now, even after the hurricane, the hardware thing what she get, she sell it to the people them in a Jonestown when she has to give them free. Pummels. And the reason why she become counsellor, she can't read, you know. The reason why Pummels become counsellor is because Pummels have a criminal. She have all a son right now where I go to school. He's a criminal. They expel him from clan party. And all in go to school do and go on bench and chop badness. So you have to be criminal. Look for Angela Brownberg. Angela Brownberg, for her father, was the most wanted man in the 1980. Tony Brown. And she, you know what? She a member of parliament. Or if you have people who for them father and most wanted man kill people, I pass legislation in a Jamaica against crime. You know, so they might be sympathetic to criminal. You see anybody for Dudus or Jim Brown in a parliament or councillor, the Labour them now award no criminal, but the PMP, that's how PMP do. Them reward you when you're a criminal. You understand? Jamaican for Justice is not for no justice. Is a part of a PMP criminal organization, the FIS.
Yeah, you really the point out that
most Jamaican people are idiot. Them can't think. Them can't think critically. Them don't see that. The National Integrity Action with Dr. Trevor Mano is part of the PMP. You just look at the FIS. You see, them know say people them are idiot and them are dummy and them not care. That's why them put it right in your face. And them are tell you say, no, look here. It's not what you see, you know. Don't judge what you see, you know. It's what we tell you. You understand? So the PMP them have everything to destroy the country. Look what happened the other day. In the local government election, the PMP won 5 seats and the Labour them won 7. The PMP come out and say them win the election. Since when 5 is greater than 7?
That's stupid.
No, but look here. The National Integrity Action come out and correct them, our Jamaican for Justice, because they are part of it. So if you are for human rights and want to guide the people in the right way, you know, come out and tell the people them say no, Baby Trump, the PMP never win the election. Them improve. You understand? Because them get out all of the chink them to come vote, the licky and the thief them and them thing. And them start this buying a vote. When me I grow up on them thing, the people vote. And guess what them used to do? Them used to from here two my name upon voters list in a Jonestown. And me never vote yet. From here to a Jonestown, me are 18. They on voters list. Edward Sierra come down and start use ID. Why you think you have ID for vote? PMP cause that, because them thief, them use all dead people for vote. Remember say, you understand? So that's why you get all ID and them thing there.
Alright, Mr. Porter. It was nice chatting with you, yes, sir.
Alright, my brother. Blessed love, man. All the best to you. And yeah. Cool.
Take care, man.
Yeah, man. All right.
And you're listening to the Young Police channel. Lift up your head and hold it up. We know that he'll win the prize. Everton Blender says so. Hi, this is Everton Blender, and you're listening to the Young Police channel. Lift up your head and hold it up. We know that he'll win the prize. Everton Blender says so.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir, that Blender. Respect for that one. And I wish too. Me have others what me love, you know, like the ghetto people song that are my anthem, you know, man. Every time you hear that, you know, man, chills come over my body, you know, me. I tell you, you know, most of your song them. And the one I say, boy, me not see no one I'm afraid of that. You understand? So you could have, you know, link, you know, you could have sent a couple more of them thing there. I love it and them thing there. Yeah, man, straight from the Jamaica Young Police channel. And you don't know more love on them thing there, you know. You know, me see you, remember, you know, if you send out entire ready for release your album and them thing there. You understand us, you know, send me a thing, but we'll put it out there, my brother. Blessed love, man. Cool. Yeah, so we hope you enjoy the video. We presented our message in its entirety without any alteration. And we trust that you have gained valuable insights from it. The choice before you is clear. Either you stand with those who love life and justice, or you align yourself with the debt merchants of the PMP criminal organization, those who revel in power and bloodshed with no regard for lives of Jamaican people. It's not about politics, it's about the very soul of our nation. Choose wisely. If you love the killing, you gotta ride with them. We don't love the killing because we love our brothers and sisters. We are black, we are Jamaican. Me black, me a Jamaican. Me a junglist. Me can't go say me a junglist. Me a junglist, but me not love the killing. Me want to see all of my people live in a love and unity. Tell me say me a liberate because of that. Well, if I saw a big case, I saw it go. Because me is the truth, rights and justice. Me not gonna tell no life in a guy or no party where I destroy the people them life. And we see it. We just need a change. We need a change in that direction. Our people have to stand up. Show the PMP them say we're tired of the